Alright guys, so I had two coats, misfire and cylinder 2, which is this one, and cylinder 6. Luckily it's both on the side. So this is cylinder 2. This is the spark plug. These are aftermarket Denso's IKH24, which is a step colder than OE. Now, I'm not sure how to tell if they're bad. Again, this is cylinder 1. This is the coil pack. So, I'm not sure how to tell it's bad. There is some like white residue in there. I don't know if you can see that. Again, this is cylinder 1. So not sure. Then we're gonna move to cylinder 2. I don't wanna, cylinder 6, excuse me. So we looked at cylinder 2, now we're looking at cylinder 6. So this is the plug for cylinder 6. This one doesn't seem to have like the white, like if you see the top, it's cylinder 2. You see how it's got like that burn right there? The one on cylinder 6 doesn't have it. Doesn't seem to have it. But nonetheless, cylinder 6 still has like that white residue in there. I can't tell if the coil pack's bad or good. And then this is what the spark plug looks like on cylinder 6. Again, I got a misfire code for cylinder 2, which is that, and cylinder 6, which is here. So my first assumption was to check this is what the spark plug looks like on cylinder 6. Might be bad. Not sure. That's what it looks like. Here's what cylinder 2 looks like. So maybe you gurus out there that know about spark plugs can tell me if these are bad. I don't see the thing crack like I seen on others, so it's hard to tell. But you guys take a look at this and let me know. That looks pretty dark in there. So, alright guys, you guys let me know.